This video will show how to print a ID card to the Barmel printer. The ID card can be printed from any editing program, photo viewer, PDF, or the Asure ID credential customization program. Printing with the Asure ID. Create a new design and click on the card design icon. In the Card Settings tab, you can define the orientation if it is single-sided or double-sided and the magnetic stripe or smart chip configuration if available. In the Main tab you have some basic design tools: create fixed text, variable text, photo, image, background, lines and figures and barcodes. The text label is a fixed text that will never change in the layout. Here you can edit the text, change size, color and position. The data field is a variable text, which will be entered later in the data entry section. The photograph will also be entered into the data input either from a capture device such as a camera or from an image file. The background section allows you to upload an image and place it on the entire card. By clicking on Edit you can change the crop area of the image and focus it on the area that is required. For the barcode field, you configure the type of code you want to use and create a field so that you can enter the value of the code in the data entry section. Once the template is created, it must be saved before entering the data entry section. In this section you can add a record for each credential you want to print, placing the data in the fields created in card layout. Uploading the photo opens a tab in which you can select the area where the face is so that it is properly seen in the photo box. In the File Print Preview section you can see in more detail the credential to be printed. If you want to add another record, click on Add and enter the data of the next record. With everything ready, click on Print and the file will be sent to the printer. Printing with exported design. In the Source Editor program, you will have to export the design of the credential in image format with the size CR80 and minimum a resolution of 1012 by 638 pixels and 300 dpi to obtain good resolution of printing, and have color format YMCK to obtain more accurate colors in printing. After that, open the Asure ID and upload the image as background and send it to the printer. Printing with PDF. The PDF file will have to have a minimum resolution of 1012 by 638 pixels to have a good print quality. At the time of printing, verify that the size options are set and that the two-sided printing option is selected properly. These are just a few quick examples of printing using the Barbel printer. For more information, contact your local supplier.